Starting Monday of this week, the bubble bursting watch for AI officially started. The Intel stock is down again today. Do you know why? Let me explain to you. Welcome to my channel, Liu Stock Observe. In this channel, we observe daily hottest 5 stocks. From this list, we'll provide brief introduction and analysis for these stocks and the overall health of the market. What is the vibe today? The main theme is that tech and chip stocks sell-off continues as AI bubble fears mount. There are plenty of signs. As such, the stock market is going down a little bit. The Asian market is going down. Bitcoin is going up, and interest rate is going down. One of the bellwethers that people keep talking about is this company called Palantir. Palantir is using AI for defense purposes. The stock went over into a hyper growth and then it came back down very rapidly. If it were not for the quick reversal today, it would have made today's top 10 list of losers. The 5 top gainers today is NEWEGG and Lenza. These two are not new. They were on the list of the top losers yesterday. NEWEGG is a store and Lenza is a green energy stock. Let me explain to you which one of them is a better deal, in my opinion. Scholar Rock increased by 14%. STEM company is an AI and clean energy company. It increased by 13%. And Ceres Therapeutics increased by 10%. So 2 of the top 5 are drug makers. NEWEGG stock dropped yesterday after a roller coaster ride of up and down and up and down. Today it went back again. As I mentioned before, I believe the long-term trend of the stock is good. So this is a healthy stock in my opinion. Lancer Tech uses biology cells to eat up carbon. So it's a clean energy company. Yesterday it dropped and today it gained back pretty much all the drop. But if you want to know the health of this company, you just have to look at the overall stock trend in its entire history. It keeps going down. Scholar Rock is a biopharmaceutical company. It has a grand ambition of developing medicine for serious illnesses that have high unmet demand. Overall, the stock is like a roller coaster in its entire history. It goes up and down with no steady trend. STEM is a clean energy company. It actually provides artificial intelligence-driven software and services that enable customers to plan, deploy, and operate clean energy assets. So it's a fancy AI and clean energy stock. Just like the Lanza stock, the overall history of the stock has been dropping over a 5-year period. The last one on the list of 5 is Ceres Therapeutics. This is another company that makes revolutionary biotherapeutics. However, the overall stock trend over its history is it keeps losing. Here are the top 5 losers of today, August 20th, 2025. Some of them are really is not significant, but the ones that are significant are James Hardie Industries. James Hardie Industry dropped 34%. It is in the U.S. home building supply business. The next one is Intel. Intel dropped by 7% today. James Hardie believed that its customers and contractors are telling them that uncertainty is a common thread. It doesn't see a clear sign of improvement of the U.S. housing market. If I look at the overall trend of the stock, it's been going up consistently as long as the U.S. economy is healthy. Intel regretfully dropped today after getting a $2 billion investment from SoftBank yesterday. Overall, this seems to further support my belief that the Intel is probably beyond repair. Number 2 on the list of most significant stock losers is Alcon. Alcon is a producer and marketer of eye care product. It's actually a pretty big company, but it warns that the overall profit is going to drop because of the tariffs, which also means that most of the stuff that they sell is made overseas. Oscar Care is a health insurance company, and this company dropped, like I mentioned, it's not a significant story because a lot of companies can drop a few percent a day. Vion provide telecommunication services in Asian countries like Pakistan, Ukraine, and Kazakhstan. It stock dropped by about 8% today. Let me remind you with a warning and disclaimer. The above only serves as an observation, and investment has a lot of risk. One of the things that I learned over time is you can never predict what happens tomorrow, despite all the data you have. If you have come this far, I really appreciate it. In this channel, we provide top 10 gainers and losers every day, every trading day. And if you have any inside information about any of these stocks, please fill in the comment below. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the near future.